That's gonna really scare Grimgore, though. He doesn't like that shit.
It's none of my. It's none of my business. I don't know.
No,
I
that's
don't
gonna
give a fuck about his feelings.
That's gonna repel him.
Stupid Umies.
I don't know if it will, but that's cool if it will.
Go hard or go home.
Alright.
Gonna go home and get hard.
Go home and get hard, baby girl.
More money.
Yeah, I definitely need that. Piss off, Icky Claw. It's mine. You running
Just
away.
a little bit more.
Stop running away.
A dark omen.
Engineering Squire. Yes, yes.
Oh, that's really far. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers!
Say it to him again. Say it to him again. Call him again. Call him again.
I'm literally gonna build a shotgun army.
I didn't realize I was. Okay. I'll have to do that. Remove. Okay.
We're not even gonna step over to the left side.
Oh no, I just realized we don't have a mod on for me to do my quest. Oh.
Moving.
Alright. Gotta upgrade this. Fuck. Let's recover money. Dragon's Crossroad has been destroyed.
Yeah, I saw that. I can't see down there who did it, but
Someone
I have
fucked them up.
I have a
It may or may
feeling.
not have been me. No, I'm kidding. I wish.
I was about to say, what?
No, I think it was what's his name? Village. That's what I think. Because it's
Gulag.
raised.
Okay, that's a good chance.
Or we do lower metal.
Money, money. I like money. Money's good. Good
Alright, we'll
money.
do lower fire. This guy seems pretty good.
Yeah, fire's really good.
Oh, that guy is just out of the...
Anyway, I'm over here slaughtering rats and stuff.
Kolek's over
I'm down.
near your base right now.
Yeah,
Kolek.
but he doesn't fuck with me. He'll offer an alliance.
Oh yeah, he is chaos.
He
yeah.
likes to go fuck with the orcs a little bit.
Is Doc who's
Oh,
coming?
look at the
Understandable.
fuck! He just offered some shit. Military
Nice.
access. Holy shit.
It means you can just walk through your land.
Yeah.
Go ahead, bro. We have a slight friend rage. This will be good.
And I can make friends with him, then go fuck his capital and confederate him.
Those are some good units, though.
Yeah, I could use them.
Makazia Falmansi.
Alright, Lord. Wow, I still can't recruit him. For another 5 fucking turns. What a dick.
More Angas lock.
You know what I love about Beastmen?
What?
All my units are free.
What?
Oh yeah, that is. Yeah.
That's
these
really nice.
3 units.
I'm gonna have to build a defensive gate here. Cause they like coming through here hard. Man!
Saru.
That's still upgrading. But we can get more raw material.
Hundra Aumbach.
Alright, that's what we're gonna do.
Gruna Sorsagas.
I'm
Nice.
done.
I can recruit Chaos Dwarf Warriors from you now since I have an outpost.
Just let you know, those are better than your guys. It's just letting you know. Huh, they're not good in attacking. They're just good at holding. So if you got archers and you put them in front of the archers, oh, you're golden.
Istantastajar Nachrund. Uzav Narundir.
Oh, we have oh, pay them $800. We will for now.